Hey everybody, Renfail here. Hopefully you're doing well. I've been getting a lot of requests recently from Instagram and TikTok in particular, asking how do I do what you do? How do I get to where you are? How did you get started? And it's hard for me to answer that in short form content because it's a complex subject and we've covered it in a variety of videos over the past few years on YouTube. Usually, what happens is someone will come in during a stream and will ask that question, and I will give a 15-minute rambling answer, cut that video out, put it on YouTube. But I publish like 15 to 20 videos a day, and within a week, you know, it could be a couple hundred videos that have buried that somewhere in the past, and then it's hard to find those videos and show those to people. And I have been getting requests to put together for a while now. I've been very lazy about it because it's not the focus of my channel. But I have had over the past year probably 15 to 20 requests from people who have been like, hey, could you put together a playlist with all of your best tips and tricks and how to make money doing this and how you got going and all this other stuff. And I've been just like lazy about it because, like, again, it's not the focus of my channel. But I also recognize that with this huge influx of new people coming in from Instagram and TikTok in particular, because of some of the viral posts we've had over the past couple of weeks, I may be needing to stop being lazy about it and actually put together some sort of a playlist. Because I can't, it's great to have all these people asking these questions, but at the same time, it's 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 not time efficient for me to try to answer each person individually. It would be much better if I just put together, 5 or 10 videos or whatever the case may be, put them in a playlist, and then I can just point people to the playlist and be like, here's what you need to do. So I'm starting to formulate ideas. So what I would say in this video is, if there are specific things you would like to know, um, put them in the comments below, and I will take a look at those things and see about adding them into this upcoming playlist. Um, I don't know exactly what form this is going to take shape in yet, but I do know it'll probably be something where I release, I might just do them all at once and then just release the playlist. Is probably gonna how I do it. Probably gonna be how I do it. We'll see. But I know, like, I've addressed this on stream before. Like, we had somebody who showed up yesterday afternoon and said, "Hey," um, and it was during my bonus stream. I don't often stream in the afternoons, and when I do, my audience is a fraction of what it is in the mornings because my typical morning audience is a combination of Oceanic, European, and North American audience. Um, so I normally start about 4:30 a.m. and go till about 11:30 a.m. more or less. We usually do like 6 to 8 hours every single day. And then I've been coming back and doing some afternoon stuff around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And most of my audience is in bed, so we're getting very small numbers for those afternoon streams. And someone had come in and said, "Hey, I like this video you did the other day, but I don't see how you're able to make a full-time living when you only have this many people on your stream." And I had to correct that person and say, well, your math isn't quite right because you're trying to judge things based off of a bonus stream, which is happening at the middle of the afternoon when all of my audience is in bed. But more importantly, there's things like this. For example, I have around 8,700 videos on my YouTube channel, and I add about 15 to 20 videos every single day. So if you make the assumption that all of those videos are making 1 penny per day, 8,700 pennies per day add up to a lot of dollars. The reality is that most of those videos are making a lot more than 1 penny per day. The newer content in particular is making dollars per day, sometimes tens of dollars per day, sometimes more than that, depending on if it went and did really good traffic or not. And you'll get people who say things like, Renfield, there's no way you're making full-time videos, full-time income on this because I look at your videos and you're only getting like 200 or 300 views per video and all this other stuff. And it's like, you're not looking at the total traffic that comes in per month from my channel. And that's what you really have to look at is the totality of the traffic, the totality of the videos that get uploaded, and the totality of the pennies that add up over time. I've been adding content to YouTube over the last 4 years essentially. Again, 15, 20 videos a day. Um, on top of all of that revenue, I have the stream revenue, which is separate. We have memberships and bits and cheers and things like that. Well, I guess on Twitch it's bits, cheers, and subs, and on YouTube it's super chats and memberships. Then there's tips. There's stuff like sponsorships. There's all sorts of little things that contribute. There's book sales as well because I do books. So there are all sorts of things that contribute to the monthly revenue. And so it's really uneducated for someone to try to base an assumption off of an afternoon stream, which isn't my primary stream, and say your numbers are low. There's no way you're making a full-time income, and it's like you just don't know the math. There are tools that you can go get for free, which show you how much traffic I do every single month, and it's really easy to do some basic math and say, oh, you're making that much in ad revenue, okay, and then on top of that you get subscriptions to member. Oh, okay, you're actually okay, yeah, you're doing okay. Because I do fairly well for where we're at, and we make a full-time living and have been for 3.5 years. So I have no complaints, and we're growing every single day, which is always awesome. Um, so things like that, I've been happy to correct, and like we've been doing channel analytics and income reports for 3.5 years for our channel members here on YouTube ever since I got monetized. Um, and usually those are quarterly. Sometimes we'll do them in between the quarterly updates depending on things. Um, for example, June we did a bonus update because that was our best month yet. Quick commercial break, everyone, to celebrate and give thanks to all of these amazing people who keep me on the air full time. Really appreciate the support. All you got to do is join as a member. You get access to private videos. You can also do super thanks on any upload or super chats and stickers on any live stream or premiere you see. And beyond that, don't forget we're multi-streaming over on Twitch now, so you can support over there as well. Thanks so much to everybody. Let's get back to the video at hand with a bunch of different things factoring in. And generally speaking, the July through December run of every single year is usually our biggest for every single year, and then usually January, February are kind of a wash, and then you come back from that. 'Cause advertisers don't pay shit in January. Um, anyway, I do have lots of tips and tricks, and we've talked about it in probably 40 or 50 videos over the past few years, but I've never put them in a playlist before. I've never put together all of these things into one place. Um, and I know that there has been, I mean, I've kind of lost track. That one video I did on the 10th of the month went viral everywhere. It's well over 100,000 views on YouTube, and it's done several hundred. It had generated like 7,000 or 8,000 followers on Instagram alone, several thousand followers. Yeah, I think on TikTok as well. It's kind of just blown up everywhere, and that has brought a lot of new people into the fold and a lot of great questions, which I am going to start to go through and answer in video format and put them together in a playlist. So I'd say stay tuned for that. And then also, if you have additional questions, put them down in the comments of this video, and I will answer them in those upcoming videos as well about how I make a full-time living as a content creator and streamer. It's important to remember that I was a content creator before I was a streamer. I did full-time content creation for about 2 years before I was streaming every single day, but I was only streaming 2 to 3 hours a day. I only started really streaming 6 to 8 hours a day last June, because we finally got the numbers up high enough where I was able to generate enough revenue from the streams to supplement and make more than what I was making when I was uploading. Because previously it was more beneficial and more financially viable to just keep uploading videos. But these days we've got a big enough audience that it just depends. Um, I think our daily average right now is like 50 to 60 minimum um, for most morning streams, and then depending on the game we're playing, we might go to 60 to 80. But then, I know we've had some days with like Dune Awakening in particular. I think we had like launch day. There was like 700 people between the two channels, between YouTube and Twitch, and we've had a bunch of like 350 to 500 viewers days with that game. So it's still game dependent, but um, some games are better than others. New games do more things, so it just kind of depends. But our daily minimums have been 50 to 60 viewers, and then I would say 60 to 80 is sort of our peak. for most days, and then we have higher peaks for new games when we do like 120 to 150 viewers per in between, between the two streams, and then we have certain games that'll do more than that and get hundreds per. Onwards and upwards. The cool thing about what I do for a living is that it's not dependent on having you see a lot of people think that you can't be successful at this unless you have 500 plus viewers watching your live stream, and that's just not true. If and the caveat to this is if you have a massive backlog like I do, and that's what I spent the first 2 years doing, which was just filling this catalog of YouTube content up so that I had a lot of passive income coming in from just tons of videos that were on YouTube, game guides, reviews, playthroughs, etc. And then we just add to that every single day. I'm like a hamster in a wheel, man. I just get up 4 o'clock is the alarm every single morning. I'm live at 4:30 every single morning. I go for 6 to 8 hours live, and then after that, I cut everything into clips, and then I do guides on top of that. I do movie reviews, I do TV reviews, and my daily shorts, 1 to 2 shorts per day across all my social media network. And in between that, like I said, we do sponsorships and advertising deals and all sorts of fun stuff. So it all adds up. Again, the big thing is I'll always laugh when you get a troll who's like, "Ah, you're only making pennies off of this," and I'm like, "Yeah, bitch, but pennies add up, man." And when you have 10,000 pennies every single day, that's a chunk of change. And on top of that, you get your memberships and your tips and your subscriptions and your pitch cheers and your sponsorships and everything else, and it's beats everything else I've ever done for a living. So tune in for more. Let me know your thoughts, questions, etc. in the comments down below, and I will start to work on this playlist over the next month or two. I don't know how long it'll take me, but this is just my announcement that it's coming down the pipeline. Stay tuned. Stay safe. Happy gaming. See you next time.